Hi everyone, and today is November's Yumetwins box. There's a little bit unboxing. As you can see, I've already unboxed it because there's a lot of stuff to see. So here we have our erasers. This is a Disney Tum Tums eraser kit. It's not of any particular character, I'll be really honest with you, but it can be used as a keychain. You can take out this stuff and have stuff in here. But right now they have cute little erasers that kind of look like one of characters from DuckTales. But as you can see, um, one of the ducks. So this is really cool. Then we have a nail highlighter, which nail polish highlighter, which I've never heard before. So that will be part of the things that we will probably be selling off soon enough when we put it on here. Then we have our banana pencil. I love pencil bags, so I'm going to keep this one for myself. And then we have our Harami Hello Kitty plush bag. That is very cool. Our pocket straw that has another stuffed Hello Kitty character. Scenario character. It's a pocket one. It basically squishes down. I'm not going to open it up. It comes with the actual pocket. It kind of looks like those little earbuds. And it has the actual straw, which is extremely helpful for anybody who has now reusable pockets have straws. This is extremely useful. And as you can see, it's all in Japanese. But it's an official product of them, and you can see the very basic instructions, which you can use anywhere at any given time. You can put it in your backpack. I don't use straws that much, so I'm not going to be using it, so I'm going to sell it off for others' enjoyment, which I'll probably sell with some other stuff. And that's about it for this, which I'm surprised. Usually there's like way more stuff for today, but I think it's mostly because change of the seasons, and these are kind of stuff that you wouldn't actually expect. I'm excited for November because right now I'm filming this in October and I'm getting it in November. So when I get it, my December stuff in November, I'll be excited to sell it because I just sold some stuff on Depot. If you would like your own box, you can click on the link in the description. Remember, this is Yumetwins, and if you have Yumetwins and you forgot, they have streaks that you can put in for prizes and stuff and for points. This month for November 2020 is cafe time. Remember to take pictures of it if you do get it, and they have other boxes that you can maybe enjoy. Remember, this is November's cafe chill out. And I hope you enjoy it. Click on the link. See you guys next time.